Hi guys!
How I made this lip scrub and lip balm? Let's see. And
Hi guys! So we always take care of our face but we forget our lips. So for that I have a perfect solution. I have made some homemade lip scrub and lip balm and I'm going to share that with you. So for that, let's get started. To make a scrub, we are going to take 1 spoon of sugar. Sugar will help us to exfoliate our lips. And in that, I'm going to put some of honey. Here I'm taking 1 spoon of honey. It will not only exfoliate but also give a moisture to our skin. It helps to remove the dead skin from your lips, bringing out a fresh new layers, making your lips more soft and smooth. It will also make a plain surface to apply the lipstick on your lips. I have already taken a container, washed it properly, and I'm going to put this mixture in that container. You can also put a food color if you want to give it a nice color to it, but here I'm not adding any color to it, it's optional. Our scrub is ready. Let's exfoliate our lips now. Take a generous quantity and apply on our lips. We are going to apply nicely on our lips, and you can also keep it for 1 to 2 minutes and leave it over there so that the moisture can get into your lips. Now we are going to remove this lip scrub. Now to moisturize your lips, a lip balm is very important. So let's see how I made the lip balm. To make the lip balm, here I'm going to take a lipstick. You can take any lipstick of your choice. Then I'm going to put some Vaseline into it. And few drops of coconut oil. We are going to heat it for 1 minute in the microwave. And our mixture is ready. Now I'm going to take a container and put it in that. Dry air, cold temperatures and wind all have a drying effect on skin by drawing moisture away from the body. So lip balm, it seals the moisturizer in our lips and protect it from external exposure. We are going to refrigerate this mixture for 1 to 2 hours. So after keeping this lip balm for 1.5 hours in the refrigerator, this is what I got, a nice pink rosy color which I really liked it. So it is all ready to apply on our lips. This is the color which we have got and now I'm going to show you the color. So now I'm going to apply this lip balm on my lips. But till the time, if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe it and comment down below how you liked my video. Bye bye.